Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. I am Brandy, aka Mama Vapes and Diamond Paints. I am so excited about this package right here from Diamond Art Club. You guys have no idea how excited I am for this one. So I haven't bought a new release in a while. It's been quite a while. I have bought a lot of restocks and pre-orders and all those things, but it's been a while for a new release that I've seen that I had to have until I saw this one, and then I knew I had to have it. I knew I needed it, and I knew it was going to happen. So what do I have? Obviously, if you have been keeping up with Diamond Art Club at all, or anybody that you watch any of the videos, you can see right here, that means it's around. So, not sure if that gives you any indication what I got, but I'm not going to keep you guys in suspense for too long, I promise. As soon as I get this off, I'm going to open this box and show you what I got. It did obviously come in the other box, so you know no damage was done to the canvas at all. So, you know, like, I love the way they package their stuff because you don't have problems. You don't get smashed canvases. You don't get all the things that can happen, and this box is in perfect condition. So, yay, my favorite things. So what did I get? I got My Garden Needs Tending by Mandie Manzano. She's gorgeous. All about it. Cannot wait. It is a round, like we said like I said when I showed you the box, it is a round. It's a 56 by 74 with 31 colors, and it has 2 ABs in it. So, I know that Miss Coffee unboxed this last week as the sneak peek, and you know, nobody does a job at showing this like her. I can't even say anything about anything more about it, except for she always does the best unboxings. So toolkit is standard toolkit. You get your heart-shaped plates of wax. You get 2 of them. You get your comfort grip, which is a squishy, your tray, and multi-placer and baggies, and your pin. So nobody wants to see the toolkit though, so let's be honest. So yeah, we're going to take a look at this beautiful canvas though, that I'm so excited. You do get your instructions, step-by-step instructions on how to diamond paint. You do get a code in there that is, I think it's 10% off if you've ordered before. Drills are bagged and labeled with the name and I'm assuming that item number of the painting. And of course their canvases are amazing feeling, super soft, surged edges, which are gorgeous. These colors are to die for. This is so much prettier in person than I can even begin to describe on video. For you guys to, there's no way, it's just too pretty to even see it. I mean, like I said, I did see the unboxing that Miss Coffee did, and it looked gorgeous. It is 1,000 times prettier in person than it even was on the video, which is kind of mind-blowing because it's gorgeous even on video. So lots of greens and yellows, and some reds and oranges. Just a beautiful canvas overall. She's just beautiful. Mandie outdid herself again. She is amazing. Anyhow, I'm starting to get kind of speechless right now, or I'm stumbling on my words right now because it's just a really pretty canvas. So anyhow, let's check and see. It is sticky like always. says your canvas comes with a lifetime warranty and free missing diamond protection from Diamond Art Club. It tells you support at diamondartclub.com is where you find out if you need to contact them for any problems. The canvas is sticky. It is really shiny. It's got that glittery stuff that they always have. Their canvases pretty much looked finished. They looked finished before you even put a drill on here, which amazes me how well they're done. So we're going to flip this over, the canvas over, and we're going to take a look at some of the drills, and then we'll see where the ABs go. And again, I know Miss Coffee already did this one. I can't compete with her. She's a pro, but I can at least show you what I see when I'm looking at it, and you know. So here's our sticker sheet, and we're gonna go $4.98, $8.15, $3.10, $3.10, $3.10, $3.10, and $3.10. We know if you're doing a Mandie piece at Diamond Art Club or like a Hannah Lynn from Diamond Art Club, we know for a fact we're going to be living like the $3.10 life and the $9.39 life. It's just, we know that. But it's part of what makes their canvases look amazing. $6.66, $9.07, $7.28, $7.40. That's a pretty orange. It's very bright. Like that a lot. $9.06, $7.01, $700, $133. So there's our first AB, and that's a really pretty orange AB. The AB is Aurora Borealis. It is shines kind of like the Northern Lights. It has the extra coating compared to the regular diamonds that are just already shiny because of the way they're cut. This one has, they're cut the same, but then they're coated. Oh, 2 whole bags of that. Dude, that's awesome. Lots of that going in this canvas. $3.21, another $3.21, $7.43, another $7.43. Got the twins going on in this. $6.06, 2 of those. $6.99, 2 of those. $7.42, $7.83, $7.44, $7.82, $7.80, a little bit darker, almost the same. $7.41. I just love all these colors. $8.90, $9.12, $7.45, $1.41. That's our second AB. That one is going to be a white AB. So again, it's the same as the other one. It's got that kind of glimmer, extra iridescent coating on top of it to make it shine a little bit more. We have $3.19. We have $9.54. We have $9.13. We have $9.95, and we have $33.71. I'm wondering if something is wrong. I'm gonna have to contact Diamond Art Club because there is no $9.95 in the schematic in the color sheet or the legend at all. There's a $9.55, which looks like it's a really light green, and this says $9.95, and I didn't see a $9.55 anywhere on this canvas. Like I said, I'm gonna have to contact them. If it was misprinted on here, they'll let me know. If they sent out the wrong ones, they will send out the new ones right away. They are amazing. I have never had a problem with Diamond Art Club, not a single solitary time yet. So absolutely love their customer service. So either way, I'll let you know in the description box. Also, I have been a little MIA the last week. There was kind of an emergency that came up at work, which meant I had to work days I regularly film and edit and post videos and get ready for the week on. So I am backed up. However, I'm so excited about showing you guys this canvas, that I'm pushing this ahead of the other videos that I have still coming out this week. So you guys are going to get this. Today is Friday the 25th. I ordered this Saturday last week when the new release, and it was supposed to get delivered yesterday. But USPS, you know, they're having some issues right now, so we're not going to even talk about that. But it just got here, like literally they dropped it off like 30 minutes ago, and I got ready and started to film because this has, I want you guys to see it. So pretty. So you're going to probably see this afternoon as soon as possible because I want you guys to see it. It's pretty. By the time I put this video up, I'm sure I will have already heard back from Diamond Art Club though, and I will make sure I leave that in the description box as well. You know, what happened and what did they say, if it's going to be, if it's actually supposed to be the 955 or if it's supposed to be 995. I'll let you guys know what happened. But yeah, super easy, I'm sure, to fix. And so our ABs are going to be number 1 and number 2 on the canvas. Oh, I should show you why we're up here, that the drill field is as clear as can be, like always. Diamond Art Club is awesome about that. So number 1s and 2s, I kind of want to see some of where those are going to be going. So, and they're poured glue, so you're not really worried about messing them up if you kind of fold them. I mean, I'm not going to bend it because that would crease the canvas, and even though creases come out of poured glue, I wouldn't want to crease it on purpose, so definitely wouldn't recommend doing that, but it's just kind of loosely folded over. So got a lot of 1s outlining her features on her face, which is really pretty. And then, I mean 2s, not 1, sorry. A lot of number 2s outlining all here. She's got a lot of orange throughout her, the orange ABs throughout her hair, so it's going to come out really pretty. I'm definitely going to add more bling to it in Tina's sparklers. I'm going to probably add a lot in her dress because I just think that would look really pretty. Like the crystal ABs, like the actual sparklers throughout her dress, because I just really think that would add a lot to it. And maybe even throughout these little like vines and flowers that are in her hair. So this is my Garden Needs Tending by Diamond Art Club from last week's new releases. She is beautiful. I mean, just absolutely gorgeous. I am so glad that I got her. I think she's still available, or she was yesterday, but I'll link her in the description box, as well as letting you know what Diamond Art Club said when I get a hold of them. And as always, I really appreciate each and every one of you. If you haven't already, consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon to be notified the next time I post a video. And if you have any questions, leave them down below, or comments, leave them down below. Bye guys.